good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's Flyer Kicks coming back at y'all with another video. I got an unboxing for y'all. Red box. You know, y'all see these. Y'all might know what these are. Y'all might not. So last week when these came out, I was actually out of town, so I couldn't make my runs in the city. Sneakers app came through for the first time in a long time, and I got these Jordan 1 High Fearless. Red box. I like that. Added the red box on here. Real cool. Card. Nike receipt. Tag says white, black, university blue, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Fearless. Got the Fearless patent joints, y'all. Now I know I'm late on these. Like I said, a lot of people already got them, already had their reviews and stuff posted, but I still have to go ahead and get this one up, man. This is what like one of my top pairs for the year. I don't know if it's like the colors for me, the nostalgia colors coming from like Alwell and Carter High School and Dallas, man. But these colors was just a must-have on these. The patent leather really just pops. Y'all know how I always talk about that shine on the patent. It's a real cool pair, man. I like these. A lot of people were giving them a hard time when they first saw them, calling them clown shoes and blase blase. But you know, people gonna do their talking, and what do you know? They sold out. So you know, it came with the 3 laces. I like this, the black, red, and the blue. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in there. I might double lace them, but we'll see, man. These retail for $160, and they came out on November the 2nd, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so it's cool, man. I'm about a week late, but you know, better late than never. Nike took their time shipping these with the holiday, and I ended up getting them. I think I just picked these up from the UPS store on yesterday, so it took a little while, but it's cool. Glad to finally have them. As always, man, without further ado, let's get up close and personal with these so you guys can see these details, see these cuts, see these colors, and so you guys can go ahead and put together your outfits with these, man. The resale market isn't that high on them, so you really can get a pair for a good price right now. So if you want them, I say go ahead and go get them now rather than waiting to letting the price go up, creep up a little bit towards the Christmas holiday, man. But let's get straight to it, y'all. Now, before we get up close and personal with these Fearless ones, make sure y'all hit that like button, the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with me. Let's get it, man. Straight to this up close and personal. Now, as you can see, it has the regular Jordan 1 box, but they flipped it and put the red majority with the black Nike on it. You know, red, black check. The box tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Fearless. White, black, university blue, 11.5, personal size. These are getting worn right here. Really like the paper. It's a nice touch to it. They added on there. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. I like that. Getting right to the shoes, man. These are crazy to me. Got the Fearless ones right here. It has this is the UNC to Chicago pair. You know, he went to North Carolina University, so the baby blue comes from, and it has the red from the Chicago Bulls and the Chicago One. So yeah, man, you see it's like the half split, all patent everywhere. Nike Air on the tongue in red. Has the Fearless on the inside with the same thing that's on the hang tag and the box paper. Has the red outsole, and I like that gold wings logo on there. It's a nice touch rather than putting it in Bose logo. I like the wings logo that they added on this one. Like I said earlier, it came with 3 sets of laces: the light blue, the white, red, and the black that's already laced in. It's the overall cool shoe, man. I'm probably gonna wear this like with one of my throwback like high school jerseys or something. I have a baseball jersey that I wear every now and again from Carter High, so I'll probably wear my throwback with these. It'll be a nice fit. Limits like fear are often just an illusion. It has the fear sign on there with the line going through it, man, just scratching it up. So yeah, man, y'all let me know. These hard, is this a pass? Is it too loud for you, too flashy? Y'all let me know, man. Now that just about wraps it up with this video for the Fearless ones. Let me know how y'all feel about them. Help me pick out some laces. Let me know what y'all want to see with these. Let me know if y'all want to see an on foot on these, man. But until next time on the next video, y'all stay warm out there, man. Peace.